Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the NASA News Network, where we bring you the latest updates on space exploration and discovery. Today, we're talking about a mission that's been shrouded in mystery since its launch just over 2 months ago, the Lunar Trailblazer spacecraft. The story begins with a small spacecraft launched as a secondary payload on the Falcon 9 rocket, carrying the IM-2 lunar lander for Intuitive Machines. But just hours after liftoff, contact was lost with the spacecraft, leaving NASA scrambling to regain communication. Since then, the agency has been working tirelessly to restore contact and determine if the spacecraft can still conduct its mission. Now, the situation is looking up for Lunar Trailblazer, as conditions are expected to be favorable in May and the first half of June for the spacecraft to generate power and reactivate its radio. According to NASA's Director of Planetary Science Division, Louise Proctor, if we can get enough sunlight on the spacecraft's solar panels, it could charge up its batteries and turn on its radio. This is a critical moment in the mission, as any communication with the spacecraft would enable controllers to start commanding its movements. But there's more at stake here than just regaining contact. Lunar Trailblazer was designed to search for water ice on the Moon, a discovery that could have significant implications for future missions and even human exploration of the lunar surface. And while it's still early days, NASA is holding out hope that it can still achieve its original mission. However, as Proctor noted, it's looking at this time less likely that contact will be reestablished with Lunar Trailblazer by mid-June. But even if that doesn't happen, the agency won't give up yet. They'll conduct a review to determine if the spacecraft can still carry out some version of its original mission. We're also taking a closer look at the root cause of the problems with Lunar Trailblazer and what lessons we can learn from this mission for future endeavors. It's a complex issue, but one that could have far-reaching consequences for space exploration. And finally, we need to mention another Simplex mission that's facing challenges, Escapade, which is now looking at options to launch on the New Glenn rocket later this summer or next spring. The mission is still in the works, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it as it moves forward. That's all for now from the NASA News Network. We'll continue to bring you updates on the Lunar Trailblazer mission and other developments in space exploration. Thanks for watching.